Welcome back to Dear Parents. I'm your host, Deborah Oforidate. Today, let's explore how to boost your child's creativity through the use of technology. Encourage their use of creative apps and tools like drawing apps, music software, and coding platforms such as Scratch. Get them involved in fun projects like digital stories, animations, or simple games. Balance screen time with hands-on activities and celebrate their creations. Leveraging technology can unlock your child's creative potential and open up a world of possibilities. Thank you for tuning in to Dear Parents.